They're called smoke bombs. Oh yeah, it's called Princess Frog and Prince Frog.
And then you light them, they go crazy.
Get out of the way, Elysian. You're an idiot.
I brought you the Reef daughter. Isn't it crazy?
Haley's Comet.
Automatic doors.
Yeah, nobody.
Wow!
Damn!
It's alright.
Howie.
Oh,
look at that! Yeah!
we got these.
My dad.
Did y'all get smoke bombs? Because they were out.
Yeah, we got smoke bombs. We're out now.
Uh-huh.
Hold on.
Actually, we spent over $300 and then got $60 worth of stuff.
$400.
Listen, get over here.
Really?
I need to light my cigarette.
So they got $60 worth of fireworks.
Elysian, where's your jacket?
So, I mean,
Where is it?
technically $460.
Get it. Everybody else has a jacket.
We got a discount.
Get your jacket on now or you're forfeiting the rest of the fireworks.
Okay, she can go
Hey,
away.
honey, shine a flashlight. Hold on, dude. I'm trying to find mine. I got it. There it is. Watch out, Elysian. Back up.
Back up, Elysian. Probably gonna blow yourself up.
So nice in the videos.
Hey, you watched my videos?
You put it on the side! He did. 5. Well, ladies and gentlemen, my brother almost got his ass blown off again.
Tree on fire! Tree's on fire!
No, you're okay, buddy.
Like fucking morons! They tilted to the goddamn side.
No, Ty.
Who was the one who...
It was supposed to be on the ground, and he put it on the side.
I didn't mean to. Who was the moron who tilted this?
That was your husband.
Fuck is wrong with you?
Go get yourself a drink, Alicia. Yeah.
Oh my fucking
Mommy, I'm
God.
getting sister
Stacy, we are
Yeah, we
preventing
have
a
a fucking
forest
issue.
fire.
Mommy, can I get
Rachel, can you sit still? I got alcohol.
No, I need water. Go get a bucket of water.
Scotty, go get some water.
Son of a bitch.
Yeah, we did catch the tree on fire because my dad is an idiot.
Well, I caught all that on video.